There are so many benefits to affiliate marketing and creating a strong affiliate program. Doing this means you pay for results, rather than advertising that may or may not target your market. When you include an affiliate marketing program as part of your advertising plan, you are sure to receive directed advertising that works, and if it does not work, then you don't pay for it. That is what affiliate advertising is all about, paying for effective advertising. The great thing also is that you decide what type of advertising is effective and reaches your market and what does not. You can choose between an email lead, actual sale, a new subscriber to your newsletter, or even a download of a particular product. All of these are measurable ways to determine how your affiliate plan is working and what type of advertising is resulting as a consequence. You only pay your affiliates for advertising that is measurable and successful. Paying your affiliates is up to you as well, or at least how you pay them. You might choose to pay your affiliates a percentage of the sale or a fee for finding a new client. The way you pay your affiliates is up to you and should work. Remember, however, your affiliates are working for results and do not get paid unless they obtain the results you are looking for. Because of this, your affiliates will work harder to make their commissions. Also, you don't mind paying your affiliates for their hard work when you are receiving truly direct advertising with results, so the affiliate marketing program is the best way to advertise. Because it is successful and you only pay for what works, not to mention as your affiliates grow you receive more advertising and increased sales. With an affiliate marketing program you also develop a network of individuals working solely to promote your product. This network grows and grows and becomes larger and more powerful each day. Each new affiliate adds a link to your website, which simply increases your target market. So, each new affiliate allows your targeted market to grow larger in an exponential manner and reach unlimited amounts of individuals all over the web and the globe. Also, with each new link your website will rank higher in search engines, so you not only increase your market, but you also increase your search engine results. The amount of websites linking to your site as a result of your affiliates means exposure. And the more exposure you have, the more results your targeted marketing and advertising plan will receive. An affiliate program truly is the perfect answer to your advertising needs and is affordable as well. Nobody wants to pay for a service or product they are not receiving, even when advertising is concerned. You would not expect to go to the grocery store and pay for food items you did not receive, and as such you should not use advertising that does not deliver results. For too long advertisers have sold their services without providing true results to clients. However, with an affiliate marketing program you will not have this problem. Affiliate marketing has changed the world of advertising and it makes sense. You pay for the advertising you receive, and if you don't receive any advertising then you don't pay anything at all. It really is as simple as that, and because of this affiliate marketing programs are cropping up all over the internet. Because people want to pay for results, and affiliates want to get results in order to get paid, so everybody wins. Finally, the affiliate marketing program provides the right answer for web advertising needs. Another great benefit as well is that with the affiliate marketing programs you don't receive results just one time, but potentially forever. The reason for this is because affiliates provide your link on their website in order to send traffic your way and to make money. As a direct result of this, your affiliates will keep your link on their site in order to make as much money through referrals as possible. The only way an affiliate will remove your link from their site is if they decide to close their site down for whatever reason. Consequently, you receive long-term marketing and exposure from every affiliate, and when they send traffic that results in a measurable sale, you pay your affiliate and the process continues. It requires little effort on the part of the affiliate with big returns, so you can rest assured your affiliates will keep advertising for you indefinitely. The relationships you build with your affiliates results in several benefits for your marketing campaign that include only paying for measurable results and fostering advertising relationships that have no definite end. So, each day and every new affiliate simply results in a larger audience being exposed to your products and services. This does not decrease because your affiliates will stay with you in order to earn their commissions, and you will pay the commissions for all the actual results of the marketing campaign. There is no reason to focus all of your efforts advertising other ways when you can start an affiliate program and grow exponentially. The best way to advertise is through an affiliate marketing program, so get yours started today. There are plenty of directions and tips to get started on the internet that will help you get your affiliate marketing program moving and start increasing your sales and improving your search rankings almost immediately. Copied with permission from http://plrplr.com/68235/the-many-benefits-of-affiliate-marketing/